Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Theme Hunk. I am Anurag, here to show you how to connect your WordPress website with Google Search Console. I will show you 3 methods to connect your site with the Google Search Console. Let's get started. First, go to the Google Search Console. Click on Start and log in using a Google account. If you see another interface than this, you can add your property from this menu. Click on URL prefix, as it is not a much more complicated process than the first one. Put the URL of your site here. Now click on Continue. It gives some methods on this page. We will go with HTML tag. It is a very easy to use and fast method to verify the site. This method involves copy and paste of the code. So open your dashboard for further. To avoid any type of mess or error, as a beginner, we will use a plugin. Go to Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Type WP code in the search bar. Install the plugin. Now activate it. A code snippet has come in the menu. Navigate to the code snippet and click on Add New. We will add a snippet here. Just go here and click on Use Snippet. This is the page. Now name the snippet here. Paste the link that you have copied from the HTML tag. That's it, don't make any other changes. Just activate it and click on Save Snippet. Second method uses an SEO plugin. We will use the Rank Math plugin. Install the Rank Math plugin. After activation, it will be shown in the menu. Open it. Go to the General setting and click on Webmaster Tools. This is the option to put the code. Paste the code. Save the changes. If you want to add the code without installing any plugins, remember this works only in classic themes. Go to the theme file editor and find the header file. Paste the link under this meta tag. After done, update the file. After a while, your Google verification should be complete. You can go to the Google console and refresh the page to view it. So, this is how you can connect your WordPress website with Google Search Console. You can use any one of these 3 methods and verify your site. Thanks for watching.